So which way we go?
Need to get mine out.
Why they don't have no prices on here? Oh, they're not bad. Simba's 21. Moana. How much is Batman?
34.
Surprised. What are these? Want some Pokemon cards?
Please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you are seated at an overwing exit, your window shade must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. For safety reasons, e-cigarettes and vape devices may not be plugged into any power source while on board the airplane. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. But of course, don't hesitate to ask our crew members questions. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. Take a moment to locate the nearest one, and keep in mind, it may be behind you. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, life rafts are located in marked ceiling compartments. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and...
For our final safety checks, cabin lights will begin for takeoff. Individual reading lights are overhead. We appreciate you flying American Day. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy our flight to Dallas.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
Yep. We went to see Spider-Man in 4D, and I had to turn the seats off halfway through because it was rocking the hell out of us. But my husband had an amazing time. I had a good time, and I missed my little Snookums Austin. But we're enjoying Texas. Can't wait to surprise my best friend tomorrow. She's gonna kill us, and I'm ready to go home. We've spent so much money on Uber. It's not even funny, but it is definitely worth it because the aggressive drivers here have nothing on the people in Nashville. I would not drive in Dallas. What's wrong?
City. Some elite luxury minus complexity. I'm African.
Definitely gonna have to edit that out.
No.
It's fine. It's just like B-roll for YouTube. I wanted to get on the Ferris wheel.
You should have told me about call Uber.
It's okay.
Sugar daddy. I don't know if you post those pictures of sugar daddy. And then got to blur me out. They don't know who you with. I'm looking out for my kids, man. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, they keep on with this one. Super Mario.
I think Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Yep.
Emerald would like either one of those. I think they have these on the street, like when you go to Japan.
Do they?
Yeah, you just like, they're like vending machines on the street.
Stiff joints from psoriatic arthritis. Benzellix can help. People taking Benzellix got back to less joint pain, swelling, and stiffness. For people who also have
It's gonna take about 7 minutes for them to come.
clear skin.
That's fine.
Plus, in a head-to-head study versus Skyrizi, Benzellix showed superior improvement in
Thanks. Hello. Maybe I shouldn't have slid.
Why?
It's kind of hard to slide in a dress. Kind of hard to slide in a dress.
Guys, Lord, put your flash, you're on YouTube. Everybody put your phone out. Guys, when they come in, I want you on your loudest voice. Happy birthday, Lauren. All right? Can we practice it one time? 1, 2, 3. All right, y'all ready, y'all ready. I need to see flashlights, everyone. Flashlights. Flashlights, put on your flash, Now I need to see, let's go birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's like she's only